We're several months in at our build here at 1000 Goldeneye Drive in Mallard Pond. So the framing's complete, the roof is on, the windows are in, we're preparing for brick and stone, but really today what we really want to go over is the mechanical systems. We're currently at the rough-in stage, which is where we install the plumbing, electrical, and HVAC system. Let's go take a look. This HVAC system is comprised of 2 furnaces and 2 air conditioners. One furnace is located here on the 2nd floor. This furnace is forced air and will feed everything from overhead. Because the ductwork is running through the attic, the most important part is that ductwork is sealed and insulated. That way, the extreme differences in temperature between the attic area and the conditioned air won't create inefficiency in your system, humidity, and moisture problems. In the downstairs system, all the ductwork is running through conditioned areas. Therefore, it does not need to be insulated, but we still like to seal that ductwork. That ductwork is sealed so that all the air you're paying to heat and cool isn't leaking between the walls, and it's actually going to where it needs to go. This is going to give you a warm house in the wintertime and a cool house in the summertime. Another thing that we do that increases the overall efficiency of your HVAC system is installing fans in the attic that run on a humidistat and a thermostat. What this means is that if your attic is ever too hot or too humid, those fans kick on and ventilate the attic. This will reduce the overall temperature of your attic and reduce the stress load on your air conditioner in the summertime.
Here with Tatman, our electrician from Tatman Electric. He's going to go over some of the finer points of the electrical system of this house and what makes us a little bit different here at Benjamin Marcus Homes.
So this house is pretty unique from an electrical standpoint. It has about double the recessed lights that we typically do in a normal house. This house has around 80 recessed lights, all of which are LED. So you're going to use about 1/4 of the power that you typically do when using these. Also included in this house, some electrical standpoint. In the kitchen, we have some LED under cabinet lighting, and this is also in the bar in the basement. We have a heated garage package that includes a garage heater and a wall thermostat. Also in the garage is an electric car receptacle that's compatible with Tesla and Chevy vehicles. And from an exterior standpoint, we have a covered porch that includes 4 recessed lights, a paddle fan, and it also has wiring for an exterior kitchen that will include a beverage center and a rotisserie for your grill. This house is also set up for a security system, is wired for a home theater system, and also has a fiber optic internet connection at the street.
Thanks, Dan. And again, those are some of the things that set us apart at Benjamin Marcus Homes. With the completion of the mechanical systems, it is now time to move on to insulation and drywall. Our insulation package is not just for keeping your house warm in the wintertime and cool in the summer. We also added sound deadening in various locations throughout the home to ensure when you live in your Benjamin Marcus Homes, it is a quiet, enjoyable experience. We insulate all plumbing drops in stacks, so you won't hear water running behind the walls when someone is in the shower or flushing the toilet. We also put sound deadening around the master bedroom in all 2-story areas to prevent sound transfer to the bedrooms. There is also sound deadening around the laundry room, so late night laundry won't disturb sleeping children or guests. The powder room also has sound deadening for additional privacy. Now that drywall is complete, we are underway with the trim phase of construction. This is when we install the custom woodworking throughout the home. The crown molding, baseboards, interior doors, wainscoting, wood mantels, any other decorative trim accents are built on site by our craftsmen. None of these items come prefabricated when building with Benjamin Marcus Homes.
Every house that we build, the trim is specifically designed to meet the style and design of that home, as well as the owner's needs.